Father, you're gonna be used as a human meat shield.
You get shot so quick. If you actually ran like that, I think you get shot so quick. That'd be the worst death. You're just running into battle, gun up and all.
I'm not afraid!
You just get shot to shit.
Ow!
You were tired. You already shot me.
I know, who already shot you? You're already getting hit.
It literally hurt worse than the actual net.
Are we allowed to use that as like a catapult to launch ourselves to their side?
Can we angry birds ourselves? We can't make a slingshot and do like angry bird style?
If that was possible, then I'll...
It's not a Jeep.
Hey guys,
No, it's a Trump, not a Jeep.
2020.
That's a beep. I don't know about you.
It's not a Jeep, it's a beep.
Beep beep. Guys, our first goal's gonna get up to like the line.
Wow.
Guys, are we Russian?
Yeah, we're
No,
Russian.
we're American. How do you forget where you were born?
remember, no Russian, okay?
No Russian, that sounds, I don't know if we can allow that statement. That seems politically incorrect.
Are we pushing up quick?
Why is my red dot not on?
You guys ready?
I'm,
Aaron, ready?
maybe, sure.
Ready.
Alex, ready?
I'm ready.
Don't unplug it.
I can hear the ref in my thing. I need to change channels.
Good. Maybe you can.
Okay.
I'm going home. Alex, keep going. The road's too far.
Right there where I'm shooting, looking through that window. Moving in on the right. Right past you, that blue building. Oh, got him. Right there on that window.